Hello guys, this is Editing Nat. Welcome to today's vlog. So this vlog that you're gonna be seeing is kind of like some random clips. While my sister was here, like this day, it wasn't structured. I think it was like her third day here. It's the day that we like rented the car. We did some stops at Daiso. We were like looking around in some of the stores and stuff like that. So looking at the clips, I'm like, I was like really questioning whether or not I should even post this, because it's like there's no beginning, middle, or end to it. It's just a bunch of like random stuff that we're doing. But at the end of the day, I still want to be able to look back at these memories, and I still want you guys to like share the memories with us. So I'm still gonna upload it, but I just wanted to give you that briefing, you know, so you know what you're getting into. So I do hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. Yes, ma'am. My sister come bust me a Japan. Bust me clean. Close the door, sis. I have a car seat for Aiden. And we're coming to pick this up later. Okay.
Put me in front of the car.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I have taken my sister to Daiso because, you know, you can't come to Japan and you don't come to Daiso. And you know, honestly, I really love this for Vanessa because she gets to see like real Japan, you know. Like I keep saying that because we feel like it's really important. You get to see this side, you know. You come super grocery shopping with me, you know. Yeah.
And this is like a Dollar Tree in America. So,
Right,
you know,
right.
See what they have in Japan compared to what we have.
Right.
Look good and look quality to the night.
Yes.
Look really good.
So we're in here, we're kind of picking up some stuff for Aiden's birthday party. I did not get to buy like train themed like stuff like this. So I'm just gonna have to kind of color coordinate. So it's Chugga Chugga Tutu, so it's like train themed and like red and blue and stuff, and like this is the only one I see that we could get apart from like these regular white ones. I think I'm gonna grab these and just make them work, and that's what we're gonna be doing.
I like that little story.
You like it? Yeah. Yeah, we love Daiso. Daiso is the bomb.
Daiso is it. I like Daiso.
Oh, guess what we buy, sis?
Huh?
Guess what we did on to boy? Can do for the cake.
Are you in here sitting there?
Yep.
Oh, so let's go buy that right now.
Yep.
I'm glad you remember for later.
You know, Seven is easy. No. Right, goods. Right.
This one too. Woman, I need anything out of it while we're going up now. I need him to show me how to open this. I'm just trying to have a ow, I'm a finger.
Check. Okay. Yes. Hi.
Hi, okay. Enjoy the
Oh, thank you. Hi. Arigato gozaimasu. Oye, Seven. Konnichiwa. Everything this girl come across. She's like, go under your car, mama.
I put in Aiden.
Alright, Adrian.
Aiden is like, wait, what? What's this? Am I making top ball? Let me go up on the other side.
The Japanese car seat, them, you know.
Okay, yep. All the two of them may be going at the same time. Yep. You put the two of them together and seal it in at the same time, maybe. Yeah, put the two of them together first, yes, and then you put it in one time.
Oh.
Yeah. There it is. Okay.
Good. High five.
Yay! Okay. Come sis, your time.
Every video you're going to your car. What do you mean? Come on.
Go on in your camera. Good day and all these things. Yes, ma'am. Alright. Remember, left side. Alright, ma'am. Me see them something in America, you know, like. Yes, ma'am. Live your best life.
Living my best life. Look at my foot down there.
Wow.
I did not pop down
It's
there.
strong, man. I'm afraid.
I comfortable, man.
Mm.
They call them egg.
Oh, it actually looks like an egg, yeah. Yeah. So guys, we're in this like furniture store. It's an outlet with like reasonable priced furniture that are new stuff. Yeah. Oh, yeah, so?
No, behind nobody sit down here, so. That liquor, this look like a liquor futon.
I them and the Japanese people them sit down for the stay there.
Oh gosh.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit. You have to eat them.
Right? Sectionals.
I love sectionals. That's on my next buying list.
Mm.
Oh,
Sectionals.
So this look like our material you can wipe a cloth.
Right, a cloth, yeah.
This is beautiful.
I don't know if I want another cloth couch.
Yeah.
Not with kids. So I think this is one recliner one. Oh, so now.
Yeah. What's that, more floor?
You can't go third floor.
I'm glad the cat can't frighten me. Okay. Makeup stand. Could I fit this something like that?
Yep.
Bathroom.
So the bed I'm gonna go buy. Queen one around and stuff. Push. This one.
Oh, that's too low.
That was my problem. It was too low.
Huh.
But then they were saying I could go to the Home Depot and them could have like build something. For high sit, double money. Plus, I never love the mattress. So you can swap and swap. But when I put on the mattress, then I like for the now.
Way up.
Sky high, so I better me just pay the IKEA money and
just
get the height when I want and get one mattress that I want.
Right. Makes sense. Makes sense.
No bad.
Then I'm going to grow. Up on the ground here.
I don't know.
Like a plant stand. You want to be a plant mom?
No.
You're dead?
Yeah.
Right, box. You don't like that because, okay, so for us, when you buy a bed, so you buy the frame, you buy the box spring, and then the mattress.
Oh.
So then I always see how this look and feel and shape and hard. This would have given me a box spring feel. And then you have to buy the mattress. Put
on top of it.
Yeah. So,
the island space too. Nice. 104.
You better do this one this, you see? And that one there 125.
My goodness.
13,000 later though.
13,000 yen for a rubbish bin. Oh, umbrella
I
stand.
just one size. I just one side. Them need the 13,000. Them need for give me one side for plastic, one side for
I know,
can,
right?
one side for regular trash.
I know, right?
Every
Peace.
They're cute. They're cute.
Perfect for like YouTubers. Okay, I can just. And this is my outfit for today. Just a blouse and pants.
Girl, you want to see
Under.
this with the two camera, the two something like that, sir? Maybe I look at myself, girl. If more a slim girl, them couldn't take me. Because I'm fluffy and them can't take me. So what me did
That's
slim.
true.
Hey.
Them can't want me again. Can't want me again. Batman can't want me again.
Look, sis, I'm going to show you.
Yeah, man, me see it
You
now.
see
Me see the illusion.
Yes, what are they?
Look there.
Hey, girl. Hi. Oh, me I want me. No. Take them back off my girl. Yeah, I care. Yes, ma'am. When it come on to that, I am. When I put them back on girl. I want money.
Poor.
I need money.
I was the last time I'm poor. Wait, what's it, bro?
What? If you broke this shit here, I pay you.
Oh my god, me can jump?
Yeah.
What if you broke Vanessa?
Nah, I broke. It broke. It broke.
I clean this.
That's our pan. Come on, fight before you sink it. Cheese. Alright.
Go for money maker.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
So them is something, you know. And it's them sit down for another bathroom and bed.
Why would I want to do this? It's just weird. Tell her it's a culture. Culture, sis. I want a wicked thing, you know? Wow. This the towel, them look soft and plush though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They must tell you, that's a whole lot of money, you know?
I know, right?
Spend off a whole lot of money, man. I'm afraid. Too.
You better come in the store unless me have money, you know, cause you come in here just one. Siren, turn on.
I'm a regular strainer. Rubbish, watch that. So a rubbish pan here. Rubbish pan here? With the tree layer? With the tree
Yeah, but
something?
it's too small.
Yeah, look a bit. I don't know what I say now. So I don't know what I'm doing.
The Home Depot have bigger, better one, man.
Oh, okay.
We tried them already in the past.
Yeah, man, let me tell you.
It didn't work out at all.
Buy a two bottles of that full up. Watch this, sis.
Yeah, but them I can't hold the dryer.
No, this is so up on the ground. It's a space.
Right.
Cushions. Also the dining table.
That's a
The
kotatsu.
heated blanket, huh? I'm get on there. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
I know, right?
One thing is our carpet expensive, you know.
I'm going to tell you.
You see this? I just spent it. You see the rugs here? Wall water really good.
Yeah.
Oh, this feels so good. This feels good. It's nice and thick, man.
No, one of them in an alien room.
Catch my breath, I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. If I forget to reason, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
Nice. So like them one, the price them not super bad.
34,000. This bar.
This bad enough, but for the price that them a go for, this good. So I buy bag in so. Cause them around the store,
I
yeah?
don't know how to open the blast in the bag.
Them a go for like 100,000, 80,000. Wait.
Let's see, man. String them up and hang them up alive. So a hand at the bottom, you have to open it from. How long can I hold this good, sis? Hard case, hard shell.
Book them when they can go to school can hold it like man. Cause then like Jamaica where you pack up your bag of shit.
Other one is 17,900.
Erica, this a text me, you know? Alright, let's go.
Yeah, jump off her ass.
Vanessa, sit up, let me see how happy you be, Vanessa. You not happy, man.
Alright, hold on, let me see.